Yo, I'm that bro Nez. Drop another review on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a review of is BAM, another generic box item. It's like, actually this box, as you can see here, is of the Wonder Hanger Max. And this is the box that it comes in. It's pretty much just a regular old box, as you can see. Nothing crazy to look at here. So why don't we just get right into this bad boy. Okay, so let me open up the box. Got a piece of cardboard right here. Got this paper right here. Basically, Wonder Hanger Max holds 30 pounds, 50% stronger. Bada bing, that's what it looks like. Alright, you have any questions, contact the number. I like that they provided a phone numbers you can contact if you have issues, web address, all that stuff. And like everything else, made in China. So I like that they did that. Nothing on the other side. Put that to the side. Okay, looks like we get two identical packets here. So why don't we open up one? Let's see what we got. Okay, we got this right here, which is the Wonder Hangers. We got the over the door hanger, and we got the LED light bulb. Let me check out this light bulb here. Alright, so you just hang it from your closet so it provides any extra light. It's nice that they provided this. What kind of batteries that you take? 3 AAAs. It'd be nice if they would have provided that, but hey, it's all good. Let there be light. Can I get this on? Bong. Put that back. And this pack right here is my exact match of what I just opened. Oh wow. The hangers are as strong as the plastic. Man, I'll get some reinforcements out on this. Okay. And comes with each. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the other pack also has 6. So you got 18 hangers. You got 12 Wonder Hangers, I should say. Then you got 2 over the door hangers, and you got 2 light bulbs. So this is what they look like. Bong, this is in gray. Seems pretty sturdy plastic. So this is supposed to help you create more space in your closet. You hook these up there, or I should say more like this. And then this, you could put 5 items on there, preferably shirts, but imagine pants and whatever too. And then after you hang those on there, then you let that drop down, bong, like that. And then then they hang down lower, and thus creating more room. So the space that you would normally have 5 shirts or 5 pair of pants, and now takes the space of probably 2. So we're gonna go. I have a lot of shirts and stuff in my closet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this up to the closet. I'm going to slap some batteries up in this bad boy. And I'm even going to figure out what I'm going to do with this over the door hanger situation here. Same concept. You slap this over the door, bong. And then you can hang 5 things on there. And then you pull it out, let it drop down just like so. When you want to stick it up, lift it up, push it in, and it holds it up so that way you can see your items. Bong, just like that. It's got some felt over there on that side so that way it doesn't scratch up your door if you got a nice door. Here's the paperwork on that. You can see exactly what you're working with there. Bong. And let me show you the paperwork on the other one. This is the paperwork on the light bulb. Don't want to not show you all that stuff. Pull lights. Bam, like so. Nah, do you pause and read it all you need to, and that's it. And that's the only thing that came with extra paperwork. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this all upstairs to my closet, hang some shirts up, some pants, some stuff, figure out what I'm gonna do with this light, where I'm gonna hang this from, and get it popping. Then finish up this review. So okay, so you tie this to something and you just pull the light as a whole. Hear that nice click sound, and that turns it on and off. So see you on the flip. Okay, 2 or 3 years later, and we're finally back in. Probably more like 3 or 4 years later, because I can't even tell you when I originally started this video. But we're back in. We're doing a wonder hanger. I'm in my closet. This has been changed around so many different times I can't even begin to tell you, but the result is the same. I'm still using my wonder hangers. As you see, I got a bunch of them lined up there. And they're holding many shirts. And that's my wife's side of the closet. Just, you know, 1 shirt per hanger. You know, I'm more efficient. And, you know, when you bring it up like this, you can see what you got. Bang, like so. And you see in some instances I have more than the amount of that they're telling you that you should have. But, you know, that's a good thing about these. You can fit more than they tell you. Then, you know, just drop it back down, bang, and then it catches everything. Bring up another one. Then you see what you got, you know. Drop it back down. Bang. See, now there would have been no way that I would have been able to fit all my shirts. I have seriously over 100 wrestling shirts, easy. And there's been no way I would be able to fit all those shirts up in here if it wasn't from Wonder Hanger. So based on that alone, I would say get that. I will drop the links in the description down below where you can get it via on Amazon or wonderhanger.com or whatever. It is an affiliate link, so if you're interested in buying the Wonder Hanger, I would ask that you use that link. It really helps me and the channel out a lot. If you don't want to, that's fine too. I just want to, you know, try to pass on as many savings as I can to you and many cool ideas to you. So with that being said, I'm Nez. I will drop the links in the description down below. Definitely cop that. And I'm out this piece. You thought I forgot all about it. You got the LED bulb right there. Basically, you pull it down, clicks, turn it on, pull it again, turn it off. It's connected up top by a hook up there. So, you know, nice and simple to install. Piece of cake, simple like that. LED light lasts virtually forever. And then you got the over door hooks here. You basically just lift it up, push it back, it catches like that. I got 2 of them. You could just pull some out the closet real quick. You want to take a look at it, throw it up on a hook, bang, like so. This is my kid's closet. Bang, like so. Take a look at it, see what you want to work with, and just throw it back on the hooks, and then lift up and drop it down. It's as simple as that. Don't get no easier than that. So definitely cop that. Links will be in the description down below for all of that. And I'm out this piece. Don't forget to hook me up with a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I need this. I need those.